Ingrid, my gal Ingrid. Hey, how are you, bro?
Very good, very good.
Two-time winners.
Yes, man.
How's it feel?
Cloud nine.
I'm going to
absolute
Disneyland.
Lucky ride back. See?
Yes, yes.
Unbelievable.
How did it feel tonight? I mean, with the Hal Ashby thing, and great kudos that you gave the guys, Burt Young, and their
Mr.
love
John
on the.
Voight, yes. It was amazing because, you know, like I said, like as filmmakers, it's so difficult, and we work hard and we put our hearts and souls into the work, and you never know how someone's going to respond to your work.
And you almost quit sometimes at Imagine,
absolutely,
right?
and then to hear it actually happen to someone as incredible as Hal Ashby with the specific film that they brought back last night. I mean, that film has a story in terms of where it went, and seeing it last night and experiencing these men who've been doing this for so long and with so much love and passion.
Yeah.
You got that. And
It blows
the love
my
was in the
mind.
room tonight.
And
Yes.
also, I would say that there's, we're in an industry that is sort of dog eat dog. It's, take no prisoners. It's an ego-driven. There's a lot of greed in our industry. And to see those guys get up last night and to have this tribute to Hal Ashby, like at the forefront
with great
of
humility.
independent, so much humility, so much generosity, that it was so inspiring. And the films I've been seeing at this festival and the filmmakers I've been meeting, I mean, it just makes us want to go home
And get to work.
keep on working from our
Yes.
hearts in a place out of love, whereas sometimes you're being told differently,
Yeah.
Sometimes you're being told to think outside in, and this just, again, confirms it's always inside out.
There's that old adage, if you spot it, you got it. And you guys have it. You got humility, you got talent, you got compassion and passion.
Thank
God bless
you.
you guys.
Thank
It's
you
great
so
talking to you
much.
again.
Yes, so
Ingrid,
great,
every
Gus.
couple of years.
Oh
Yeah,
man.
Nice.